What's up, guys? Back with another video. Thanksgiving's coming up, so we're gonna do Big D's mashed potatoes. We're gonna be using russet potatoes. Let's get these bad boys peeled. Here comes the intro.
No, I'm hungry. Deuces. This is Food, Fun, and Facts with Big D. Now that's delicious.
All right, guys. Now that I got that potato mess cleaned up off the floor, we got these bad boys peeled. We're gonna cut them into cubes. All right, so we're gonna cut them into cubes. The reason why you want to cut them into cubes is so that they boil evenly. You don't want chunks that are too big because they won't boil thoroughly, and then you'll have some that are done and some that are not. So I cut them in half, cut them into quarters, and then cut them to about 1-inch cubes. Make sure that you keep a bowl of cold water nearby. Put your potatoes into the bowl as you cut them to keep them from oxidizing and turning brown. We'll be right back. Put these in the pot.
All right, we got the potatoes cut up in a pot on the stove. Cold water over medium-high heat. We're just gonna add some salt, a little bit more salt. We're gonna let these come up to a boil. You'll know the potatoes are done when you can stick a fork in them softly and it doesn't get stuck. Be back in a few minutes.
Okay, potatoes are done. As you can see, they're nice and soft and tender. Fall off the fork, no problem. To this, before we mash them, we're gonna add half a cup of milk, a whole stick of butter, melted. Add that all in there, get all that goodness in there. 2.5 tablespoons of sour cream. I know what you guys are thinking. I don't like sour cream, it tastes funny. Don't worry, you won't even taste it in this and it'll be delicious. And the secret ingredient to Big D's mashed potatoes, mayonnaise. Regular mayonnaise. 2.5 tablespoons. Put it all in there. Mix it up. Now we're gonna mash them. We're just about done mashing these up. They're nice and soft. You're gonna add salt to taste. Do a little pinch first. You can add more as you go. I like to put black pepper in mine. Coarse ground, of course. I like to see the specks. Gives it a little bit of color. All right, then you're gonna mix it up. And these will be the best mashed potatoes you've ever had. If you wanted to, you could add some garlic to them, some roasted garlic. They're ridiculous. Look at that. Does that not look delicious? All right, let's give these bad boys a try. Oh my God, so good. All right, everybody, have a happy Thanksgiving. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Don't put your hands in your mouth. Deuces!